Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic weekend and a great start to this week. Today, lots of clouds out there. A little bit of shower activity last night, and I mean very little, but we stayed with those cloudy skies throughout the day as we take a look outside our weather window from this afternoon. This is our tower camera at Rock Island. You can see the Rock Island Pond and, of course, the Columbia River. Just a little bit of snow on the Cascades with those cloudy skies out there today, and it looks like we have one more day of that before we clear out a little bit, and boy, we are warming up. We'll get to that in a bit. 46 unofficial high temperature today. That's 1 degree above where we should be at 45 for this time of year. Beautiful day. Back in 1968, our record high 63 degrees. We were at the freezing mark this morning, 32. That's 3 degrees above where we should be for our normal low of 29, and our record low 12 degrees set just a few years ago in 2022. We did pick up 1/100th of an inch of new precipitation. That gets us to 62/100ths for the year, and we are now an even 1 inch behind where we should be for this time of year. Sunrise 6:52, sunset is at 5:37. All right, getting into those Tuesday temperatures, a little bit cooler than today. It's kind of a showery day tomorrow. We'll get to that in a second, but 44 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 43 in Quincy, and then just a little bit cooler back west. Ellensburg, Wenatchee at 41 degrees. Also Eniat with Chelan and Omak at 42. Upper 30s for Lake Wenatchee and Leavenworth with an even 40 for a high temperature tomorrow in Kashmir. All right, tonight we do expect cloudy skies, a triple shot of low pressure off the Oregon and California coastlines, and it's going to bring a pretty moist southwesterly flow into Washington State. About a 40% chance for showers tonight with lows in the low 30s. For your Tuesday, one area of low pressure moves into Oregon, and that'll supply plenty of clouds with just a little bit of moisture pushing up our way on Tuesday. We'll call it a 40% chance of scattered showers. Highs tomorrow with those clouds in the low 40s. By Wednesday, partly cloudy as high pressure moves in, and that'll increase our winds, especially here along the Cascades on Wednesday. Breezy and warmer under partly cloudy skies. High temperatures in the mid-40s. As we get you later into the work week, for Thursday, mostly cloudy. Not much to talk about. A few showers in extreme northwestern Washington on Thursday. High temperatures warming up into the upper 40s on Thursday. And as we end our work week on Friday, maybe a little bit breezy once again. Mostly cloudy. There is a trough of low pressure moving through the Dakotas, and it's dragging these clouds and a few showers with it, so we could catch a little bit of that on Friday. High temperatures still above normal into the upper 40s, and then getting into this weekend, folks, it looks beautiful. Sunny on Saturday and mild. We will see high temperatures Saturday afternoon into the mid-40s, and then for Sunday, about the same thing. Sunny and nice as high pressure is in control of our weather by the weekend. Happy March 1st, by the way, on Sunday. It will be a nice March 1st with high temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. All right, taking a look at your 7-day forecast now, and it's brought to you by Colonial Vista Senior Living in Wenatchee, where comfort, care, and community come together. Overnight tonight, 33 degrees, and then as we get into Tuesday, cloudy skies a lot like today with a 40% chance of rain. 41 our high temperature. A bit of a break from the wet weather on both Wednesday and Thursday. A little breezy under partly cloudy skies. Warmer though. 46 Wednesday, 48 on Thursday. We will stay warm on Friday, but there is that chance for an isolated shower Friday and 48. And then just a beautiful weekend ahead, both Saturday and Sunday. Sunny skies and mild. 44 Saturday and 47 your high temperature on Sunday. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Dan Kuntz and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.